From today's video, I show you how to create stunning wall art in Canva in just a few simple steps. Start by opening Canva and typing wall art in the search bar. Browse through the templates and pick one that matches your style. Click Customize this template to open it in Canva's editor. To make it truly yours, use the Uploads tab to add your own images or artwork. Drag and drop them into your design, adjust their size, reposition them, and explore different fonts, colors, and backgrounds to enhance the look. Once you're happy with your design, click Download in the top right corner and choose your preferred file type, perfect for printing, sharing, or framing. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've created beautiful, personalized wall art, ready to display or gift. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.